Good morning. We're having breakfast right now, and I just want to show you guys how this train looks like. They're kind of like restaurant thing in the train, a Ural train in Europe. So yeah, I'll show you around. Let me see if I can like that. Hi, dear. So this is kind of like the dining car for Ural Pass. You can see it's just me and my hubby right here. And thank you. She just bring my coffee right here, my coffee. So yeah, we're in the train. We got out in our room. We got out in our room because we have another 4 hours to Munich. So we're just relaxing right now. So show you guys right there, the back. Let's see. It's really nice. It's fun. So I'll update you later. I'm gonna show you what I got. Alright. I got the, where was it? Dry Pfannkuchen. Pfannkuchen, whatever that is.
Mit Nutella.
It said it's 3 pancakes with Nutella. So that's it. I'm gonna go eat. Bye bye.